Welcome to Frequency of Success, where we help you tap into your inner power, raise your vibration, and align with the frequency of wealth, success, and fulfillment. If you're ready to take control of your energy and start manifesting the life you've always dreamed of, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's elevate together. Today, we're exploring one of the most powerful phrases you can ever use, I am. These two words are not just words, they're a declaration of your truth, a statement of who you believe yourself to be, and a direct connection to the divine within you. I am is quite literally the most powerful thing you can say. So let's dive into what I am really means, how it connects to the God within, and how you can use it to shape your reality. To start, let's break down why I am is so powerful. When you say, I am, you're making a declaration to yourself and the universe about who you are and what you stand for. The subconscious mind hears these words and begins to accept them as fact. When you say, I am confident, or I am abundant, you're not just describing yourself, you're programming your subconscious to adopt those qualities. And because your subconscious mind is responsible for most of your beliefs and actions, using I am statements can truly transform how you think, feel, and behave. But I am goes beyond programming your mind. It's a direct acknowledgement of the God within you. Many spiritual teachings emphasize that there is a divine essence within each of us, a spark of universal consciousness. When you say I am, you're recognizing that this divine essence, this God within, is part of who you are. You're not separate from the universe, you're a part of it. I am is an affirmation of that unity, that connection, and that power. It's saying, I'm not just a part of the universe, I am an expression of it. Understanding this connection empowers you to use I am with purpose. You see, the divine doesn't think in terms of limitations. When you recognize the God within, you realize that you're not bound by limitations either. You have the power to become anything, to achieve anything, because the potential of the universe is within you. I am is like a key that unlocks that potential. When you use I am statements consciously, you're affirming that you have the power to shape your reality in alignment with your highest self. Let's talk about how to use I am statements to create the reality you want. First, get clear on what you truly desire. Is it confidence, abundance, peace, or health? Whatever it is, think of it as something you already are. Instead of thinking, I want to become confident, say, I am confident. By using I am in the present tense, you're telling your subconscious mind that it's already true. You're embodying that quality as though it's a part of you, which signals to your mind and the universe that this is your reality. Next, let's talk about consistency. To truly shape your reality with I am, you need to make these statements a part of your daily life. It's not enough to say I am abundant once and expect miracles. Your subconscious needs repetition to accept this new belief as fact. Start each day by looking in the mirror and saying your I am statements with conviction. You can even write them down and keep them somewhere visible, like on a sticky note by your desk or on your phone's home screen. The more you see and say these statements, the more deeply they'll become ingrained in your reality. It's also important to avoid attaching negative statements to I am. If you constantly say things like, I am unlucky, I am always tired, or I am not good enough, you're creating a reality where those things are true. Remember, I am is a powerful command to your subconscious mind, so be mindful of how you're using it. Catch yourself if you're about to say something negative and reframe it into something empowering. Instead of saying, I am not confident, try saying, I am becoming more confident every day. Focus on positive and empowering qualities and see how that begins to reshape your life. Now, let's explore the spiritual side of I am. Many ancient teachings refer to the divine as I am. In the Bible, God says, I am that I am, a statement that signifies pure being, the essence of existence. When you use I am, you're aligning yourself with that divine essence. It's an acknowledgement that you too are a creator, capable of manifesting and shaping your world. When you say, I am, you're essentially affirming that you're part of this creative force. This perspective also means that I am is not just about what you're trying to attract, but about who you already are at your core. You're already abundant, already whole, already deserving of love and success. When you use I am, you're recognizing and celebrating these truths within yourself. This understanding brings a sense of peace and empowerment because you realize that you don't need to become anything other than who you already are. You just need to recognize and affirm it. Let's talk about a few I am statements you can start using right now to align with your highest self. Consider statements like, I am powerful and confident. I am deserving of all the good that comes my way. I am aligned with the abundance of the universe. I am love, and I attract love in all forms. I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy. Each of these statements isn't just a description. It's a creation. You're creating the reality where these statements are true by affirming them. The more you say them, the more they become your reality. Finally, remember that I am is a practice. The more you use it consciously and consistently, the more you'll start to see changes in your life. At first, it may feel strange, or you may not fully believe the statements you're saying. That's okay. Keep going. With time, your subconscious mind will start to accept these new beliefs, and you'll notice shifts not only in your thoughts and emotions, but in the actual experiences you attract. In the end, I am is about recognizing that you are both the creator and the creation. You have the power to shape your life in alignment with your highest vision of yourself. The divine potential within you is limitless, and I am is the key to unlocking it. So use it wisely, use it boldly, and watch as your reality begins to transform to match the truth of who you really are. Thanks for tuning in to Frequency of Success. If you found value in today's video, be sure to like, share, and drop a comment below with what resonated most with you. Remember, your journey to success starts with aligning your frequency, so stay locked in, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep vibrating higher.